See, let me not lie to you guys. Any shoot that you want to do that the budget is low, it comes with a lot of problems. You see clients that pays a lot of money, some of them, they know when to come, the stylists, they know everything that they want. They believe you that you already know what you're doing, so they don't stress you. They come and they just give you what they want, and few minutes you're gone. A shoot that Ola charged over almost 300k for, it don't last 20 minutes. Client that pays big, they don't stress you. Don't come to my studio and be telling me I'm supposed to teach you how to pose, I'm supposed to arrange your dress, I'm supposed to look at the part of your dress that is rumpled so I can fix it. That is not supposed to be my problem. My problem was supposed to just make sure I give you a good picture. Learn not to be stressing photographers. Why are you guys like this? God! You see, I said I was going to leave this business for you guys. But no, I have seen what is in the business. I'm not going to leave. It's you guys that will leave my studio. Me, no, I'm not going to leave the business. Because you cannot stress me in a business I have spent so much money to learn. Next time, if you want to come to the studio, fix yourself. My price now, I've even changed it. Because I cannot be going through the whole process of I beg, and I get into more problems. Please, if you are a photographer, learn to buckle up so that these persons will not give you problems. Peace.